Are you thinking about starting your own company? Incorporating a company can seem challenging, but we're here to simplify it for you. Incorporation is the legal process of forming a company. It gives your business a legal identity. This allows you to operate, raise capital, and limit your personal liability. Let's break down the steps to make this easy. First, choose your company type. You can select a private limited, public limited, or one-person company. Each type has its requirements. Next, you need to obtain a digital signature certificate, DSC. This is necessary for online filings. You can get this from certified agencies. Then apply for a director identification number, DIN. Every director of your company must have a DIN. This can be easily applied online. Now it's time to name your company. Ensure the name is unique and not similar to existing companies. Check availability on the MCA portal. Once you have your name, prepare the Memorandum of Association, MOA, and Articles of Association, AOA. These documents outline your company's structure and rules. Next, file the incorporation form SPICE. You'll file this form along with various documents online on the MCA portal. Required documents include 1. Proof of identity of directors. 2. Address proof of the registered office. 3. MOA and AOA. 4. No objection certificate, if required. 5. Inc. 9 declaration form. After submitting, pay the required fees. Then you'll receive a certificate of incorporation via email. Now your company is officially incorporated. Congratulations. You can begin your business journey. To recap, these are the steps. Choose your type, get a DSC, obtain a DIN, name your company, prepare MOA and AOA, and file SPICE. Ready to incorporate your company? Head to the MCA portal now and take that first step.